What are expansion slots?
Expansion slots are connectors inside your computer where you can add extra hardware components. These slots allow you to install graphics cards, sound cards, network adapters, and more. By adding new cards, you can boost your PC's performance or give it new features, making your system more versatile as your needs change.
Understanding ports on your PC.
Ports are external interfaces on your computer used to connect devices like monitors, keyboards, mice, or storage drives. Common examples include USB, HDMI, audio jacks, and Ethernet ports. Ports make it easy to plug in peripherals, transfer data, and expand your PC's capabilities without opening the case or installing internal hardware.
Types of expansion slots.
There are several types of expansion slots found on most motherboards. The most common today are PCI Express, PCIe slots, used for graphics cards and high-speed devices. Older computers may have PCI or AGP slots. The slot type determines what kind of card you can install, so it's important to match the right slot with the right component.
Popular port types explained.
Modern PCs feature a variety of ports. USB ports connect most devices like keyboards, mice, and flash drives. HDMI and DisplayPort are used for monitors. Audio jacks let you plug in speakers or microphones. Ethernet ports allow wired internet access. The mix of ports on your PC affects what external devices you can use and how easily you can connect them.
Why expansion slots and ports matter.
Expansion slots and ports are crucial for computer flexibility. They let you customize your PC to fit your needs, add new technology, and keep your system up to date. Whether you're upgrading graphics performance, adding more storage, or connecting the latest device, these features make your computer more powerful and adaptable.